Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video we are going to be playing All-Star Tower Defense with my friend Hydra Slayer. And guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you're new. Okay, so guys, let's start. Okay guys, so guys, now I'm going to start a Bulma farm. So after the Bulma farm, I'm again going to start. So guys, I'm done with the Bulma farm. And guys, Bulma farm basically means like they give you money, that's all.
So,
Yeah.
wait, I will explain.
Yeah, that guy is OP at this game.
First of all, Burma is a unit, okay? It's a unit in this game. Now, it doesn't do any damage or it has range, but like, it does, it's like 10, it's practically zero range.
And
So,
it doesn't do any damage.
so this unit, everybody is thinking, oh, that unit is useless, won't do anything. If you're so wrong, because this unit gives you money.
Guys,
So
I'm
if you
telling
place
you.
8 of them and max them out,
Where I'll show you.
at level 1, they will give you like 1000
See,
1000
like this. If you max them out and
1000
place
money
8 of them.
each wave. So if you place 8, that means you're gonna get what, like
Each one
8000.
of mine, guys, as you can see, it gives 1874 per wave.
Yeah, for me, mine is level 60. So
Yeah,
the higher
mine
the
is
level,
level 40.
yeah, the more money it gives.
And
So
at the
it's
and
best to
guys,
level it up until level 60 and then just leave it
yeah,
like
and
that.
at the end of this, like when we are like dead and stuff, I will
You
minimum
will
have like some
300,000
four.
money.
Yeah, I will have like some 400k by the end of this. It
Exactly.
is really OP. It is really OP,
Not
especially for
OP.
people who have like 5-star stuff, which need a
See,
lot
there's
of
a new
money to
unit.
buy.
There's a new unit. There's a new 4-star that gives money, and it's actually better if you equip the cost orb. There are new orbs in the game, so if you like do try, you know that we did trial one extreme once, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got some kind of orb, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that orb you can equip only on one character. It's called Golden Supreme Leader. I have Golden Supreme Leader, so I already equipped it.
Guys,
And
basically
at
I'm really
max it
bad at
does
this
like
game.
6000 damage.
Yeah, I'm really bad at this game. Cause my best like thing is Edward. His real name is
How about
Edward.
you have luck, okay?
Huh?
You have bad luck.
I
Bro,
know.
normally people around your level would have like 2, 3, 5 stars by now.
I know.
For me at your level, I had 1 5-star because even I had bad luck.
Yeah, I have one 5-star which is Wish.
I
Basically
mean, you
again
can't really count it as a
I
5 star
know.
since it's trial.
Yeah, it's just like it's
Yeah.
nothing.
When you get 5 stars from trial, people don't count it as an actual
Okay,
5
so
star.
if we upgrade him twice, he just gives 100 money per wave, and the main thing is he just gives
Tower
HP for the
HP.
tower, which is
Tower
also
HP.
not at all good because
Because by the end he gives like some 2000 and we are in what? Some wave 50.
wave 50, and then the
Yeah,
mob's health will be like
the
some
mods, yeah.
100k, so it's
And
yeah.
they'll just slap us.
Yeah, there is no use of him literally. Okay,
Both
I'm
of us should
giving
get light Yagami or that Irwin. With any
Angel.
one of those units, we can reach wave 60.
Literally,
Yeah, Urban and lights. You know that Pura in this game it's called.
I don't know.
Once you played with that OP person who was like place here, 120 range, so much damage,
Yeah, literally, I never
but
got
500
him.
SPA. Was it
No,
500 SPA?
which one?
That you played with an OP person, right? Once.
Oh, that guy. I don't know what's his name, but he does like some 100k, 120k, I think it is damage.
Yeah.
And then there is something called whitelist, I think. It just does kill all. Yeah.
Kill all.
Yeah, literally, it just does kill all. But still, we died at some 40 wave. I don't know why. Cause at the end there were some mobs which are so close and he couldn't do kill all because it had a cooldown.
Okay, it's not called kill all. It's called some right names or something like that.
Yeah, it's I don't know what it's called, but it
Wait,
basically does kill all.
that basically kills all.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna play as all my golden supreme leaders.
Wait,
Bro,
golden?
their tails are glitched.
What do you mean? Why? How are they glitched?
For me.
For
Like
me, they are
their
moving.
tails are just straight.
Yeah, for me they are moving. It is
Yeah,
actually kind of fun to watch, lol.
yeah, it's satisfying. But for me, it's so irritating because it's straight. It looks so bad.
Wait, send me a pic in Discord. I'll check it.
Wait, let me show you.
But the way it bends is really weird. See, right there, right there.
But
It's
it's cool. I
really.
like it. I
I
like the
know.
way.
With the like,
For me, it's so glitched. It's straight.
did you send? Did you send? Oh, you did.
Yeah, it did.
She.
It's so weird.
Wait, I don't know how to show this to you guys, but yeah, this looks so dumb.
Oh my god, I just hate it. It's disgusting.
Lol. I have no clue how to
They
show
should
this.
fix it though. They should fix it.
That looks so funny.
I
Uh,
prefer not using my mount this time because I go way too quick. Sometimes I can't control myself. And then like I can't click on the units quick because at the end it's such a rush, like wave 50.
mhm. Wait, I think no, I'm just not gonna mess around with the setting.
After we place all our units and stuff, we're just gonna skip to wave 50.
Yeah.
Not
Yeah,
wave
yeah.
50, like wave
Wave
40, wave
40,
40.
yeah. That's what I was about to say, wave 40. So guys, see it.
Wave
Wave
50 we die.
26, see how much money I have.
I have
Yeah.
71k since I was spending all my money.
Yeah, even I spent all my money, but my units are really cheap.
Yeah, my units are expensive.
Yeah, basically I can't place any unit. Yeah, literally. Because I used max of all my units. And I do so less damage and see his damage, literally. 21.6 mil and mine is like some
It's not
177k.
21.6 mil, bro. It's
Oh
2.6
yeah,
mil.
yeah, yeah, lol. But at the end you go like over 20 mil, I
30
think.
mil, 30 mil, yeah. My highest is 50 mil.
And that is 62 wave, right? I
No,
think.
yeah. With my friend. Yeah, that time, see, that time, wave 62, I had one unit. So I did like 12 million.
Good.
So now, when I did solo, I reached some wave 53, wave 54. And then I got 50 million damage. Because I was the one killing all the units.
Yeah,
Nobody else was there.
I'm gonna do parkour. Chicken
I'm
wings.
gonna place all these units, the one
Ah,
who summons the
bro,
creeper.
wait, we have to show them cute fur.
No, not yet. We'll show them at wave
Not
40
now.
when I summon them.
I know. I didn't say no. I told we have to show them.
Yeah, but yeah, we will.
Never said we have to show them now.
Yeah, also, this dude summons them,
Wait,
right?
I'm coming. Yeah, this
You
dude
do know
right
that
here.
these dudes.
Yeah, these.
Yeah, it's a manual skill. They don't do it on their own. I have to click it.
I know. You know. You told me that long ago.
Right.
Obviously, they won't do it on their own. I'll be overpowered.
Yeah, because if they did it on their own, we
Every 30 seconds, it'll keep on releasing.
yeah.
But selling and upgrading, so guys, there is this thing. So at wave 40 what he does is, first he clicks on it, uses the skill, sells the unit,
All
and
of them. So 8 of them come out.
yeah, so he first he goes on a guy, he clicks him and uses the skill, and after that
I do them.
and he does it to all of them, sells all of them, plays all of them, and upgrades all of them, and again does it continuously.
Yeah.
But it is like very less come at a time, but still it is OP, literally.
Yeah, but then
And when we
okay,
spawn
I
them,
felt
I'll explain how they work.
yeah.
Wave
Wait, I'm
30.
gonna place these dudes here.
Okay, so wait, all placements done.
No, we can just skip to wave 40 when all placements are done. It's gonna take a while to get all my placements.
Okay.
So we're gonna skip to wave 50 now. Okay,
Okay.
so
See you
bye. We'll see you at
there.
wave 50.
No, it's wave 40 by the way. Yeah. Okay guys, we are back and now we are at wave 42. And guys, now check my cash how much it is, literally.
I'm at 215k because I'm not
Mine
placing
is,
anything. Now I
yeah.
am.
Okay, so guys, he's going to spawn cute fur, I think,
Not
maybe.
yet.
Not
Not
yet,
yet.
okay. I think around wave 45, I think he'll spawn. Yeah, probably.
I'll do it at like when we're probably close. Okay, yeah, we are dying. I'm gonna summon them.
Okay,
I'm gonna
so
summon them.
okay, so guys, those are cute fur. So basically, what they do is they have health, right? So when they like face an opponent, example like one mob, like got past all these people, cute fur attack them. So example, this guy has like 100k health. Okay, so this cute fur has 61k. So what will happen? The cute fur will die, but he or she will remove 60k health from the mob. Okay, and the next person will again come and kill the mob, but he will have some remaining health. If you can, he will have 20k around, yeah. So
See, like
okay.
wait, let me explain it a little more. I think he's getting a little confused here.
Hmm?
So what happens is after I summon them once, not once like all of them, then they will all come and look, they're all here, right? So what they have 60k health.
Yeah,
And
6.
like he said, example they have 100k health. So if they have 100k health, the cute fur will damage them. So 60k from their health that's already there
It's coming. Wait, wait,
will
wait, wait,
go
wait.
down to 20k.
See, okay. Yeah, wait, let the cute fur
The
go.
cute fur is damaging them because cute fur has more health compared to
Yeah.
them.
But if cute fur
But
has.
cute fur is still dying because cute fur is also taking damage at the same
See, that
time.
cute fur just disappeared. See, its health is getting
Yeah,
low, but the other people are dying. See, the cute fur just
exactly.
disappeared. So, but if the enemy's health is more than the cute fur's health, it just does like its whole damage, which is 60k. But these people will have remaining 40k. And maybe another cute fur will come and damage, or those mobs right there will attack and stuff. Okay, so see guys, he has literally 26 million, I have 1.5 mil. So yeah, bro, wait, once follow me, dude. I see this every single time. Come, where are
Wait,
you?
I'm lagging so much. Uh-oh.
Put it at like off. And by the way, guys, if you like do not want to see all these and stuff, you can just put your attack effects to off. It basically like
I did.
reduces your
Bro,
lag.
see for me, I did that,
I
and my
know.
graphics are the least.
Wait,
Array, my screen's stuck.
I know. I can see you running up there. Literally, it's just stuck.
Okay, tell me when we die, okay? Because I'll stay till then. Oh, yes! I think it's coming slowly. It's all coming back slowly.
Okay.
It's all loading.
Good. Okay, there, you're
Yes,
back.
it did.
Okay. Wait, follow me now. Come here.
1 second, 1 second.
Oh my.
I have to summon all these guys, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise we'll die.
This is wish. Good for no use.
Bro, I am clicking so much, my fingers are getting so tired.
Uh, yeah.
Bro,
So.
are they gonna kill it? Come on, please kill.
Oh, we already are gonna die. We already are
That's
almost.
what I'm trying to save us with this.
Yep. We okay. Goku's attack. Yeah, boy. Good. Bad. Really
Arian
bad.
is my killer. Arian is
No.
can't. Come on,
Uh,
Nagato, you can do it.
no. Okay. Wait.
Focus,
But
focus.
you.
Ah.
We are dead. Okay, wait, follow me fast,
We
fast, fast,
lost.
fast, fast, fast.
Where?
Okay, here. You can see some explosions there. Fast.
I
Okay,
couldn't.
nearly. Okay,
Yeah,
nearly.
it's okay.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
guys. So
Yeah,
we'll
we'll end the
move
video
on.
here. Bye, guys.